Allie, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby? What's going on? What's going on? No, you have to lay down, honey. You have to stay laying down. What is this? What's this? What is it? Yep, you put it over your mouth. That's what it is. It's the bubblegum mask. What are you doing, Allie? Are you smelling it? Are you smelling it? Oh, I think someone's falling asleep. I see you. What are you doing? What are you doing, you silly kid? I think Allie's a little loopy right now. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi. What? What do you have in your hand? What is that? What do you do with it? What do you do with it?